I went ahead and tied my head. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to be applying some hyaluronic acid to my face just to moisturize. I went ahead and I washed my face. Just gonna take the droplets, apply it to the face to moisturize. And then we're gonna go in with a little bit of rose oil, and then we're just massage that into the face a little bit. Then I'm gonna create this Valentine's makeup look. It's not going to be like the typical Valentine's. It's gonna be more something wearable. And this is in collaboration with another YouTuber. Her name is Asha. Yes. So we're gonna be collaborating. Yes. Okay, and my brows are still intact, guys. This is day 2 of my brow tint. Still going good so far. Still visible. Angled brush. So we're gonna start with the spoolie to brush the brows. Spoolie to brush the brows. Look at my brows, guys. I am so happy. If you haven't seen that video, guys, where I basically tinted my brows, go and check it out. Glam Reflection palette by BH Cosmetics. And I'm going in with this ashy grayish color to do my brows. Nice, yes. So we're gonna go in with that ashy color. Just going to, I mean, I don't need any brow powder to be honest, but you know, just because I'm extra, just gonna take that right here. I don't need any brow powder. I don't even know why I'm using it. Don't really need it. See? I don't need it. Don't need it. But I'm so glad. I love tinting the brows. Just because I'm extra, why I'm adding it. We're just going to go into a little tipsy bit of concealer. Alright, we're gonna go in with chestnut. I'm gonna use chestnut at the top. Not gonna take a lot, just a little bit. I want to go for like a red eyeshadow look. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this. This is the I Love Sarahi Ultra Matte Red Lip. This is Mamacita. I'm going to use Mamacita on my lids. So we're just going to put some of that at the back of the hand. I'm going to go in with this brush because I used it the last time that I did my eyeshadow look. So we're just going to go with that on the lid, so that the red can be nice and pigmented. I know that when I'm like taking this off, my eyes are going to be on purpose. We're gonna do both of the eyes. Okay, we're gonna go in with the blending brush from Practic by Sigma, and we're going to go in with this color. This is a burgundy shade. This is the Saharan 2 palette, my favorite palette. Okay, so we're just going to pack it into this area. You just have to make sure that you blend and blend properly. Okay, I'm going to take a clean brush. This is what we're doing. We're just blending out the edges. So this is what we have so far. So what are we going to do now? What do you think we're going to do? We are going to deepen the crease. So I'm going to take this brush along with the same shade, this shade. I was just going to deepen it a little bit right here. Okay guys, so I went ahead off camera and just finished off this eye because the camera died in the middle of me filming. So okay, so I basically used this black shade from the Iconic Division palette. Just any regular black can do. Any regular black can do. Just gonna add that right here. It's a lash line really, but it's close to the waterline. Good. And then what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take the same shade that we used on the lid, and we're gonna take that below the black. Same burgundy. Let me find out the name of this. Is Zora. This is Zora from the Saharan 2 palette. So we're gonna take Zora right here. Liner brush from Practic by Sigma. Nice, and this is it for this eye. Okay, we're gonna add this nice little shimmery, glittery looking color right here. Just don't let this get into your eyes. I've been running away from you. Can you see? Pretty, right? Gonna take some mascara to the top and bottom lashes. This is the DDK, guys. Bottom lashes. Nice. And then I'm gonna use a spoolie now to just brush it so it doesn't look clumpy. Okay, so this is where I look. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna take concealer. This is LA Girl Pro Concealing Fawn, and we're going to mix fawn. I'm gonna mix fawn with chestnut. Just gonna take the concealer right here, right here. I'm gonna take some again right here, right here, some here, down the nose, a little here to highlight right here, forehead right here because I want to hide my mustache, and here, a little here, and a little here. Alright, so we are good to go. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to use a beauty sponge. The next thing is to apply some foundation, and I'm using my NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat in Cocoa. I've been trying to keep my cool. I'm gonna use my flat kabuki brush to just blend out that. Is it too much to ask? Then we're gonna take what is left on the brush to take it on the forehead. Alright, gonna go back in with the sponge. Black Opal Invisible Oil Blocking Powder. And we're going to use this brush from Sylyne. This is a Sylyne 10-piece brush set. We're going to use this now. So we just tap it inside. No matter distance I cover, you always there. This mother, please let me find everything all over the face. Feels like you're my silhouette. I'm not easy to forget. Pretend that we never met. So I'm gonna use this palette, and I'm going to use the darkest shade, this one. I've been running away from you. I've been trying to keep my cool. I forgot one thing, to contour. Oh my gosh, I forgot to contour. Oh my god. I'm gonna take a little bit of this shade. A little bit. Not too much. I'm gonna take the contour right here. I don't want you back. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. And I'm just gonna take some right here. What is left on the brush. Just gonna take a little bronzing powder now to tap over this because we don't want it to be so aggressive. I'm going to use this contour brush to take a little bit of the bronzing powder, and we're going to take some right here because we don't want this contour to look harsh. Okay, we're nice and finished. Now I'm going to take a little highlighter to highlight the brow bones. I'm going to take a clean blending brush just to blend out right here. Okay guys, so we're finished with the face. See? Quick and easy. Now we're going to add some highlighter. And we're using our Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer. We're going to take some right here.
I've been trying to keep my cool. I see what your colors shining through. Yeah, I do. That I do.
Okay guys, so the next thing that we're going to be doing, did the eyes and all of that, did our highlighter off camera. Just went ahead. I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution in C18. I'm going to take some gloss over that. I'm going to take some clear gloss over that. Okay guys, so this is our finished look. I'm going to show you finished look with the hair. Okay? Okay guys, so this is the finished look, and I hope you enjoyed it. I really love it. Tell me what you think. This is our finished look. The eyes, guys, the lips, everything is like wearable, something that you could rock during this Valentine's weekend. This is wearable, guys. So I just want you to just like, guys, share, subscribe, and let me know what you think. And this is a collaboration with it's Asha on Instagram and YouTube, so you can go and check out her channel. Likewise, check her out on Instagram. All her information will be linked in the description. Yes, I just wanted to keep everything nice and natural, something wearable during this holiday. So I hope you enjoy this video. Really loving the look and the hair. Everything just complements everything, and I am feeling it. Let me just give you a slow-mo. So yes guys, so see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. In the next video. Bye bye.